How are you all doing today? That you're planning to start a career counseling business venture for which we have scheduled this Google Meet session of yours with me. Wherein, first of all, the complete business platform which Mindtech International is going to provide to you. This is going to be related to the fastest growing industry in India, which is known as the career counseling industry. What exactly is career counseling? So today we have seen in the market that every parent, every student, they get stuck somewhere in their lives. After 10th or after 12th, if my child chooses science or commerce or arts, anything, will they be able to have a successful career or not? Will they have a good job, good salary, good business venture or not? This is the first question which arises in the minds of every parent and every child. Right guidance at the right time, they start utilizing the resources which are available to themselves. What are the trending career options in the market today? They get influenced by those. Or else if they don't get the right direction from them, then start comparing themselves to others. My friend did MBA 3 years back from this college. They got this package. I also want to do MBA now. Or else my family has always been under businesses. That's why I also do my business. Or else my father is a doctor. Everybody is expecting me to become a doctor. Hence, I also want to become a doctor. But one thing which we particularly forget to identify is to excel into that area or not is the first question which everybody should actually have. So here, these problems which majority of the market is facing, this can become an opportunity for you, wherein you as a professional counselor can provide your counseling service with the help of which you can generate a good amount of revenue as well. I will be conducting this meeting of yours into images and video format. So those individuals who are stuck under their careers, they are from either education sector or from corporate sectors. So here over 80% individuals in the Indian market are those who are some or the other way stuck under their careers. They are completely unaware about what their potential areas are. So today, by students, you might have heard that I study so much, I invest so much of my time over onto my learnings, over onto my understandings, but still I am unable to get the expected results or marks from my examination. Or from professional corporate individuals, you might have heard that I invest so much of my time and energy in my jobs. I invest so much of my innovations or ideas onto my jobs. Still, I'm unable to get the increment which I need. Still, I'm unable to have the satisfaction, or still I don't get the recognition or justification for my efforts from my team. So these are some very common complaints which we usually hear from students or professionals. So usually they are unsatisfied over onto their careers and their lifetime. So today, over 80% individuals, after choosing a wrong career, they struggle or face a lot of problems in their jobs or their businesses. So how you as a professional counselor can help your clients into choosing the right career option, Mindtech International is going to provide you with a complete platform for the same. Because every parent, every child, when they think about their careers, they are quite ambitious. Everyone has quite big dreams to be achieved in their careers, in their goals. But due to lack of guidance or clarity, when they don't get the right direction, they end up choosing a wrong career for themselves. And at the end, they face stress, frustration, depression, and fear of failure. So how you as a professional counselor can help your clients to choose the right decision at the right time and ensure them to have a stable, successful and satisfying career, Mindtech is going to be providing you as a career counselor with a complete platform for the same. So here is a bit of history about Mindtech International. Mindtech was established in 2010. From 2010 till 2025, since this date, we have established over 10,000 plus entrepreneurs from India. We are working into 40 plus countries except from India as well. Now, the first and the biggest benefit of this platform, which our entrepreneurs take, is that they are able to start their businesses white label onto their own branding with the help of this platform. Okay, so yes, the first benefit which you can take from this platform is you can start your branded career counseling business into the market. You will be able to provide unlimited counselings in the market on your own branding. You'll be able to generate unlimited reports onto your branding and sell into the market. For scaling your business in the market, you do not have any geographical boundaries. You can scale the business as much as you want in the market. Now, there are 3 different type of platforms where you can expand this business. First is going to be one-on-one market, wherein you cater to one-to-one clients into this platform. Second platform is going to be one-to-many. Now, after you have gained a certain level of experience on one-to-one, you can expand your business to one-to-many platform, wherein you can reach out to your nearby coaching institutions, nearby schools, and start tying up to them. You can start getting 100, 200, 300, 500 client base from a single tie-up and expand your business on a bulk module as well. From this platform, you have an opportunity of earning starting from 1 lakh to 7 lakh rupees from one platform, from one tie-up in itself. This is the perfect module to revenue multiply your business onto. And after gaining a certain level of experience on one-to-one and one-to-many, then you can explore your business on online counseling platform as well. Now, from our experience of 15 years into the market, we have seen that those clients who have taken the benefit of one-to-one, one-to-many and online counseling platform, within the time duration of 1 year after starting their businesses, they are able to generate a revenue of starting from net profit 20 lakhs to 50 lakh rupees from this particular platform itself. Okay, so here you'll be able to start a business which will be established onto your own brands into the market. After starting the businesses, when you want to expand it, you'll be able to collaborate, you'll be able to tie up and create franchisees under your brandings in the market. Now, after gaining the experience, first of all, once you get into the market, it's very important that as a counselor, how perfectly you understand the pain points of your clients. How perfectly do you interpret the report and provide them with the counseling service of yours so that all of their problems can be solved by you. So for your skills and for your knowledge development, Mindtech International is going to provide you with the trainings. Under the trainings, everything will be thoroughly taught to you from our end. After the trainings, the certificate of training will also be provided to you from us. Now, the complete platform which Mindtech International offers, it's for our aspiring educators, counselors, trainers and coaches, wherein they, with the help of this platform, can start a white label business. With the help of our training and coaching services, they will be able to expand their businesses into the market. Whatever revenue you generate from this platform by your counseling services is your own profit. Mindtech International is not going to take any secondary charges such as royalty, renewal, commission or maintenance cost. This is purely going to be a one-time investment for lifetime business platform. Okay, so summing it up here, the complete business platform which we offer to you, you can start your own branded business with this platform. You'll be able to get licensed software version with the help of which you can run your business on lifetime access. Independently, yourself, you can generate unlimited report from your softwares. The software which we provide to you will be multi-user based tool. You can install them and use them simultaneously at multiple PCs or laptops without paying an extra cost. You will be able to take the benefit of our lifetime training, technical and coaching services. 100% revenue which you generate from this platform is going to be yours. Mindtech does not take any royalties or maintenance fees from this platform. Now, once you have started your business in the market, as a counselor, on an average, you will be able to take a cost of 2,000 to 5,000 rupees from the market. Now, these prices which we have mentioned here, these are flexible rates. You will be able to increase, decrease these prices on the basis of your market, your area or your client base as well. Now, the benefit of keeping these prices flexible is that our clients who have gained a good amount of specialization in their domains, in their counselings, who has joined with us and are providing their counseling service in the market since past 7, 8, 9 years, Today, they are taking a cost of 10,000, 12,000 and 15,000 rupees per report and counseling just on the basis of their expertise. So that's wherein these flexible rates will be helping you a lot. You will be able to grow your business on royalty and commission module, and not just only into your city but into multiple cities, states and other countries except from India as well. So this is how the complete platform will help you into starting your businesses onto your brand and expand it into the market. Now once you get your business in the market, so how accurately and satisfyingly you provide your counseling services into the market is very important. So today what we have seen is majority of the counselors, they give their career counseling on the basis of the interest level of the students or on the basis of their marks or their results which they are obtaining into their examination, or on the basis of a question and answer based test. We are completely unable to identify the student or the child who is coming to us, whether they have the skills into their interest level or not, whether they have the skills over onto the influence which they have from the social media or not. Majority of the individuals today are unable to identify who they are. That's wherein Mindtech International is going to provide you with a very powerful tool that is called as DMIT. With the basis of a device, we'll be able to capture the fingerprints of our client base, be able to analyze them and generate a scientifically proven report. With the help of that report, you will be able to provide professional counselings into the market. So majority of the individuals today are completely unaware that the short lines or the ridges which we have over onto our fingers or our tip of the fingers, they tell a lot about our personality and our characteristics. The DMIT tool generating the report will help you to understand who you exactly are. DMIT stands for Dermatoglyphics Multiple Intelligence Test. This is a test with the help of which you'll be able to identify the inborn talents, the skill sets, and the potential area of your clients. After understanding your inborn talent, what are the extracurricular activities or after school activities with the help of which we can polish their skill sets, enhance the potential areas can also be identified. What is the preferred learning style with the help of which we can enhance their learnings, what are their personality type or behavioral pattern, and by understanding all of these criteria, what is the right career for our clients, every individual can take the guidance with the help of the. So further we are going to understand certain components which are included over onto your DMIT report. First is going to be the learning style. So today we all are having different techniques or different understanding level. There are certain individuals who learns easily by watching the video content. Okay, those are called as your visual learners. Then there are certain individuals who can learn things easily when they read out loud. Those are known as your auditory learners. And then there are certain individuals who learn easily when they have the hands-on experience, when they perform. Those are known as the kinesthetic learners. So what is the preferred learning style of your clients and how you will be able to enhance their memory power and understanding level by identifying the learning style? Complete guidance you will be able to provide with the help of this report. Second component which is included is called as the personality type. So today we all are aware that to finish one task, we have to communicate with a lot of people into the market. So what is your personality type? What is the behavioral pattern and the advantages of the personality type, and how you can communicate more effectively by identifying it. So here with the help of the DISC type, which is dominant, influencing, steady and compliant, you'll be able to identify what is the primary personality, and by identifying their primary personality you'll be able to understand how they can enhance their communication skill as well. The third component which is included is called as the multiple intelligences. So today we all are not only having one type of intelligence area, we all consists of 8 different type of multiple intelligences. So what are the dominant intelligence areas, and how by identifying the intelligences you will be able to manage your daily routine work more effectively and enhance your productivity under them can be completely guided with the help of the multiple intelligences. So visual, musical, linguistic, naturalistic, mathematical, inter and intrapersonal, and bodily kinesthetic are the 8 different type of multiple intelligences which will be bifurcated into this report percentage wise. Last component, today we all might have heard about IQ, which is intelligence quotient, or psychometric test from the market. So today, yes, IQ is important to choose a career, but except from that, what is their EQ, which is emotional quotient? What is their AQ, which is adversity quotient? And what is their CQ, which is creativity quotient, is also as important to identify. Now, if somebody's AQ is more dominant, so here career options such as doctors, such as pilots will be more suitable for them. Why? Because AQ stands for how much effectively you will be able to make your decision under an emergency situation, that is denoted by your AQ. Can be known with the help of the test. So summing it up here, DMIT is a tool or a technique wherein no questionnaire or paperwork are required. Just on the basis of fingerprint, with the help of a scientific method, we will be able to generate a report which will consist of potential areas on inborn talents of our clients. The report which is generated, it varies from 11 to 77 pages, wherein you'll be able to know what is the personality type, behavioral pattern, learning styles and sensitivities, intelligences and abilities, and structure of left brain and right brain of your client. And on the basis of understanding all of these criteria, what is the right industry, your client can also be known from the report. The report which is generated is going to be 100% scientifically authenticated and 90 to 95% accurate. Okay. Average counseling session per client goes from 60 to 90 minutes. Average cost which you can take will vary from 2,000 to 5,000 rupees into the market. 5 years to 55-year-old, every individual can take the benefit of the report. There is no age limitation or age criteria for the same as well. This was all about the DMIT tool and its component. Here is the scanning device. Those clients were approaching to you offline or physically. With the help of the scanner, you can capture their fingerprints offline. The scanner here is not included into your respective packages. If you want to purchase the scanner, you can purchase it at an additional cost of 5,200. Now, those clients who are available to you online, how will you capture their fingerprints? So that's wherein Mindcheck is going to provide you with an online mobile application, with the help of which you will be able to capture the fingerprints from distances as well. So how to capture the fingerprints online as well as offline, Mindcheck International is going to teach you both of the methods. That's wherein for your skill and for your knowledge development, Mindcheck International is going to provide you with 2 types of lifetime support and services which we are further going to understand. The first lifetime service which Mindcheck offers to you is known as your training support. Okay. Over on to your training support, everything will be thoroughly taught to you under this support. Starting with first basic concepts of DMIT. What exactly is DMIT? What is the background of DMIT? What is the history of it? Everything will be thoroughly taught to you under the basic concepts. After which, how to capture the fingerprints of your clients online or offline, and how to analyze them and generate the report will be taught to you. After understanding the report generation, the report which is generated, how you can interpret, understand the report, align it with the pain points of your clients, and counsel it into the market will be taught to you under your counseling session. Okay. Now, after understanding everything, how you can implement into the market, that's wherein majority of the people they get stuck as well. That after taking the knowledge, how to apply the knowledge. So that's wherein here we are going to provide you with certain levels wherein MCQ, fingerprint test, capturing, analysis, all levels of these will be your assignments. So whatever you have learned, we are going to take them back under assignment format, and then your process will be reviewed, and a certificate of training will also be provided to you from our end. Okay. The 2 days of foundation training which we have kept exactly under the structure and under this techniques, everything will be taught to you. All of these concepts will be taught to you step by step under your trainings. If you want to take a screenshot of it, you can. Okay. Now this was your first lifetime service, which was your training. The second lifetime service which Mindcheck offers to you is called as your technical support. So from my technical team, you're going to get 2 mails, one of training materials and one of client details. Over onto the welcome call, the mails are going to be explained out to you. On the mail of client details, we are going to need your brand name, your logo, phone number, mail ID. All of these information are going to be taken from us, on the basis of which we are going to develop a sample report on your brands. The sample reports which we have developed, we are going to mail them. You're going to check it, approve it. After your approval, the PC code or the license key of your software is going to be generated, and then your software is going to be installed over onto your respective PCs or laptops. Okay, once we have installed the software on lifetime module, if you're facing any errors, any bugs, you want to install the software into some other PC or laptop, anything has crashed down, my lifetime technical support is always going to be there with you all. Now proceeding further on, under our 15 years of experience into the market, what we have seen is that majority of the entrepreneurs, they are good at starting the businesses, but after starting the businesses, they get stuck over onto how to do the marketing, how to get the client base, what to pitch to the client base, what type of questions or objections they might ask to me, how to handle them. These are the questions which majority of the client base have. Because here, after starting the business, client multiplication and revenue multiplication is big. Under the first counseling, you and your client will just be able to analyze what are the skill sets or what are the potential areas of your client. But after understanding who your client is, what remedies you have provided to them to enhance their skill sets, to polish their potentials, how your client can get back to you within the time duration of 1 month or 2 months and take the benefit of your re-counseling is also very important. Okay, so what we have seen is majority of the counselors, the mistake they do in the market is after giving the counseling, they don't take the follow-up of their clients. They are unable to get in touch with them again and again and take the update of what they have achieved. So that's wherein how one client of yours can be in touch with you for 6 months, 8 months, 1 year and take the benefit of your counseling and re-counseling structure. How you as a counselor will be able to create tremendous success stories in the careers of your client. You can achieve them by the help of counseling and re-counseling structures. Okay. Now with the help of these structures, these methods, you will be able to expand your businesses under career counseling, yes, but except from that, you will be able to experience all these different domains as well, wherein education, corporate, family, relationship and business counselings can be provided from the same platform too. Mindtech is going to provide you with an add-on premium service which is called as business coaching service. Now this is a service which is an exclusive service. It is not included into your packages. So a certified and business coach is going to be assisted for your business, wherein all of these sessions are going to be conducted by them. Foundation of business and promise statement along with brand promise. After which, for achieving these particular goals, what is going to be the market? How can you do the marketing online and offline with minimum investment? How can you generate maximum effective leads? For that, marketing guidance will be offered to you. After understanding who your market is, how you can approach to your clients, then here comes, there are 3 platforms as we discussed: one-to-one, one-to-many, and online counseling platform. So when to expand on which platform and take the maximum benefit out of it will be taught to you thoroughly under your business development strategies. Client retention strategies. How can one client get back to you again and again for your counselings, wherein counseling and re-counseling structure also relies under this, will be taught to you under client retention strategies. Okay, how to sell DMIT and how to handle client objections. All of these criteria are going to be cleared out to you. Now, very most importantly, we are going to conduct certain monthly sessions with you. Okay, wherein we are going to take a live report. Under that live report, we are going to be creating a case study which is going to be connected to education sector as well as corporate sector. Okay, now from interpretation till counseling, how you can cater to different type of case studies in the market, you will be able to enhance your skill. The business coaching service which I just explained, if you go with plan 1, 2, 3 or 4, Any of the package you choose out of them, it is not included into those packages. If you plan on going with plan number 5, then the service is already included into that package. If anybody wants to take the benefit of this service, it is at an additional cost of 21,000 plus GST for 1 year validity, except from the package prices. Okay. Now, currently, I am running with some discounts and some offers. So, if those clients who are genuinely interested to add this service into their respective packages, I am running with certain discounts and certain offers. Just do one thing, drop me a WhatsApp message of business coaching service. Now, Mindtech offers you with lifetime training, lifetime technical, lifetime after sales, the business coaching service. Why do we provide you with so many services? It's just to make sure that whatever your business journey will be after joining us, whatever challenges or obstacles also you might face from your market, you are not going to be alone on those challenges or the pathways. Okay? With the help of our experts, our mentors, you will be able to take the support and lifetime guidance from our end. Whatever challenges you're going to face, we are going to be supporting you with them. Our brand promises we deliver what we commit. So whatever is going to be committed to you from me or from my team, 100% we are going to be delivering that to you. Okay? Here for this business, we only want your one commitment, which is whatever you're going to be taught by my expert trainers or my coaches, just make sure that you understand it correctly, you implement it correctly, because if you implement it correctly, you will be able to produce guaranteed results from the market. Okay, so summing it up here, with the help of our lifetime training, technical and business coaching service, you will be able to expand your businesses under one-to-one, one-to-many and online counseling platforms. And with the help of counseling and recounseling structures, you will be able to create tremendous success stories into the market. Okay, so the platform which we offer to you, we offer it to you with a vision that how after joining with us, you will be able to expand your business for the upcoming 5 years, 10 years, 25 years into the market. How this business will help you into achieving all of your personal and your professional goals, and how you can reach to maximum parents and children with the help of the platform. We offer this business vision to you as well. Okay, so upcoming 5 years, 10 years, 25 years, whatever you're going to invest into this platform, the professional entrepreneur or counselor which we are going to invest into you, that's wherein you'll be able to take the benefit of our trainings, which is education, our assignments, which is going to be our examination, our live counseling session, which is going to be your experience, and our certification, which is going to be your ethics. Okay. So since past 15 years, the platform of this which we are offering to our client base, to our entrepreneurs, we are able to create tremendous success stories in the market. Our clients who are working with us since past 3 years, 5 years or 10 years into the market, today on the monthly basis, they are regularly able to generate a revenue of 2 lakhs, 4 lakhs and 5 lakh rupees from the same platform. I'll be summing the meeting up with a short video of our office setup and what our clients tell about us.